wheel is part one of a two-part thing. We'll use this one and the axle together to make a pulley. So till now we've been pretty laxed on reading and following multi. This one we need to make sure we follow it. Get used to doing that. So the task here is we're going to make a wheel for a pulley. We need to notice that the radius is 15 and so forth. So refer back to this often. So I'm just going to go ahead and move this to my other screen. And we'll go from here. So we want to start the sketch. Just get back to start. So we start the sketch. We're going to go from the front. Now notice that this icon here says the diameter of a circle, so we need to multiply those radiuses by 2. I'm going to start with my innermost radius, which was 10, so this will be 20. Plan, we see that that inside diameter is, or not diameter, but thickness is 5. Here's the sketch for the home view so we can see it happen. And we'll go 5 deep. The next one we're going to do is the outer radius right here, which is 15. Okay, and so we'll choose Create Sketch. Be sure to choose the face of the wheel, not the plane. Make sure you choose this part. Draw, and then we're going to do this one. 2 times 15 is 30. Use the sketch, and we'll extrude both of these parts, and we'll come out 5. Now let's do that on the reverse side. So we're going to make sure we're touching this face. Finish the sketch. Extrude both these parts by 5. Basically is right if we look at the right view, top view. It looks very similar to what is here, but now we've got to do this rounded part, and you'll notice that in the plan it tells us what the radius is. It's a radius of 2. And the tool we'll use for that is called we'll go ahead and click on all of the edges we want to round off. This one, you notice it says specify the radius, so we're actually going to use the radius this time. So we do a 2 millimeter radius. Center. Now the only thing that we need to do is make the inside rounded as well. So we'll use the same tool, fillet. Just have to move the view cube. And this time we'll type 2, and it makes it kind of rounded. Okay, so this looks very, very close to what the plan looks like. It looks like we need which is a radius of 1 on the center of the wheel. Sketch. Place in the center a circle, and we're doing a radius of 1, which is a diameter of 2. Finish the sketch. And we're going to extrude this part so that we cut out the back side. So it's going to be a minus 15 at least. Just double check that it goes all the way through. There. See it on both sides. Save this piece. The number for this is, the number for this one is 205. Okay, so this is 205 wheel. for winter 24. Show you the dimensions that I expect. So we're starting to get a little more precise. It is required from this point forward that we use a common title block. This one we're going to use the BRMS title block. % on your assignment. Easy thing to fix. And we'll place the wheel here. To zoom in so you can see it. So typically we've done our dimensions, and this is just a general case, but we really need to have the radius to these circles. So we have radius of this one, and this one here. We also need the radius of these areas here, so we know how large that is. Linear dimension to get the edges, and then I'm going to show you one that's called a chain. And I want to start, you notice how that put the number, you notice how it put the number on the inside. So it's going to be in our way. So instead, if I start on the inside, then click on this edge of the number. This is what we call a chain. Done with it. If you just push escape, all that goes away. So you push enter. And then we'll push escape. And we want to just move some of these here so that they're just not each other's way. Yeah, see, that's going to be just fine. Okay, so I've got the radius. I have all the pieces I need. We rarely put dimensions on the model view. I chose to put some color on that. You can make the solid